Hello, today we're going to answer a Reddit question. This is how to add a railing that will follow a curve. Some of the answers in here are horrible. Using a shrink wrap modifier is a terrible idea. So is trying to extract a curve from the edge of the ship. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump into Blender and show you quickly. We have these rails and we're going to start out with a new project and we're going to make them. So I'm going to start out by adding a ground plane just to simulate the real life problem that we're going to be dealing with. So we have our whole section here. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by adding in a plane. Grab it, bring it up, and we're going to turn on snapping, and we're going to snap to face. So that's just going to snap it there. And then we're going to bring our verts together. Actually, no, we're not. We're just going to delete those two vertices. So then we can extrude. So right now we're going to extrude along our face to create our railings. We're going to extrude upwards. And we're going to add in a modifier a skin modifier, and we're going to tab in and we're going to do Control A to bring them down. And that's going to start off our edge, and then we're going to add in a subdivision surface. And we're going to tick smooth shading, and that's how we're going to do it. If we need more railing, we just extrude with snapping on, and then before we stop, what we do is we just go into edge mode and we delete the bottom thing, the bottom edge loop, only edges and faces, and then that gives us a railing. If we want the railing to come out straighter, we just select all the bottom verts, and then we can do Control A again to control that. If we then want to go in and add in disable face snapping there, if we want to add in more detail, we can. We come out to material preview now, and then we can just again tab into edge mode and use Control A to bring the railings in and out. And then if we want to do something to alter the style of the railings, we can add in a bevel modifier down below our subdivision surface, and then that will give our railings a square look. And if we vary the amount of our bevel, we can change how it's going to look. The same for the segmentation. Pretty standard stuff. Don't know why people are telling people to do this with curves, but if we come into wireframe now, we can see that gives us a pretty good mesh. You do get these little artifacts here and there, but honestly it's the fastest and best way to do it. Thanks for watching.